Hi, welcome to Pencil College. In this video, we'll be looking at more examples from Chapter 13.1 of specifically the use of the addition formula for trigo. Okay, so in example number 5, given that tangent A plus B equals to 5 and tangent B equals to half, find the exact value of tangent A. So how do we solve this? What we will first do is to apply the tangent addition formula. Okay, so let me just highlight for you over here. Tangent A plus B equals to tangent A plus tangent B over 1 minus tangent A tangent B. Okay, so I will first convert the left hand side of this equation to become something like that. So tangent A plus tangent B over 1 minus tangent A tangent B. Okay, and this is equals to 5. From here, I will substitute tangent B equals to half. So let me just highlight all the tangent B's to make it more obvious. So tangent B is here, tangent B is here, and tangent B is half. So tangent A plus half over 1 minus half times tangent A equals to 5. From here, cross multiply, or rather multiply throughout by this denominator you see. So we have tangent A plus half equals to 5 times 1 minus tangent A, 1 minus half tangent A. Expand the right hand side of the formula, so you get 5 minus 5 over 2 tangent A. Okay, left hand side remains. And from here, shift all the terms that contain tangent A to the left hand side of the formula. And shift the terms that do not contain tangent A to the right hand side of the formula. Of the equation. From here, okay, let me just continue on the right hand side of the screen. So I'll just get 7 over 2 tangent A equals to 3.5. Sorry, this should be 4.5. So let me just switch this around. 4.5, and then dividing both sides by 7 over 2. Okay, I'll just get tangent A equals to 9 over 7. Yeah, I think this example is rather simple. It is just to illustrate the use of the tangent addition formula. Okay, let's move on to example 6. Find all the angles between 0 degrees and 360 degrees which satisfy this equation over here. So the first thing we're going to do for this example is to realize that I need to make use of the cosine addition formula. So in this case, can we identify our A to be x and our B to be 30 degrees? So B is 30 degrees. Sorry, let me just use another color. Okay, so B is just 30 degrees. Okay, and then the next thing we're going to do is to expand this out. So cosine x cosine 30 minus sine x sine 30 degrees equals to 4 sine x. At this point in time, realize that cosine 30 degrees can be simplified to become root 3 over 2. So if you have forgotten your special triangle, okay, let me just write it out for you over here. So sine of 30 should be half, and cosine of 30 should be adjacent over hypotenuse, which is root 3 over 2. So let me just simplify this for you. Cosine x multiplied by root 3 over 2 minus sine x multiplied by half equals to 4 sine x. From here, let me expand this out by multiplying my 3 into the bracket. Okay, so let me just get this out, and let me just expand this out over here. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do, I will shift my 3 over 2 sine x to the right hand side of the equation. So this will become 4 sine x plus 3 over 2 sine x. Okay, adding this up and simplifying further, so this will just give me 5.5 sine x. The next step, which is a very crucial step, is to divide my cosine x to the right and divide my 5.5 to the left. Okay, so when I do that, I would just get tangent x, so maybe I just write it like that. So 3 over 11 equals to tangent x. Okay, and using this, okay, maybe I'll just continue over here. So tangent x is 3 and 11. Okay, and so my basic angle alpha is just tangent inverse 3 over 11. And recall that since tangent x is a positive value, okay, we can either be in the all quadrant, so x should be here. So we'll be going back to our ASDC model. This is my x, and let us identify our alpha. So alpha should just be here. So this is my alpha. And where is my other possibility for x? It will be in the tangent quadrant. So for that, let me use a different color. So x can also be here, okay, into the tangent quadrant. So this can be my x, and where is my alpha in this case? My alpha would just be here. Okay, so going back to the question. So so x can be alpha or 180 degrees plus alpha. Okay, if we were to work out our alpha, we will just arrive at 25.3 degrees. Okay, so by supping alpha equals to 25.3 degrees, I will work out my x to be 25.3 degrees or 205.3 degrees. Okay, so I hope this helps with example number 6. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this example. For more examples, please log on to pencilcollege.com. I'll see you for now.